All right. So this is intersection of two arrays 2 in JavaScript. They're asking, given two arrays, write a function that pulls out all the common numbers that are in the first array and the second array. So the common numbers between array 1 and array 2 here are the 2's here. The common numbers in this array between the first array and the second array here are 4 and 9. And you're supposed to return each element in the result as many times as it shows in the arrays. So if this had a couple of extra 4s and 9s in here, then those would also supposed to appear in the answer. So how I approach this, I'm going to make a hash map for the first array, and then I'm going to loop through the second array and see if the hash map has a count of that value. So to make a hash map, first I will declare an object, and then I'll also declare a resulting array that's for us to return. So let's see, we want to make first array of nums. So make a hash map of the first array of nums, and then so step 2 is loop through the second array of the nums, right, and see if the hash map has a count of that value. So to make a hash map here, we're going to do for loop. And then how we're going to do this is we're going to check to see if the object I exists. So if it does not exist, then we're going to create it and set it to 1. Otherwise, if it does exist, increment it. So as this goes through here, this will build up a count of all of the numbers. Let's grab this one. Whoa, let's close that there. So this is going to make a hash map of all of the numbers in nums1. I can show you what that looks like. Give it a second here. So this is a hash map that we built. 1 has a count of 2. 2 also has a count of 2. Because there are 2 1s in here and there are 2 2s in here. Okay, so now that we've done that, we need to loop through the second array. Okay, so we have a loop there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to check to see if this hash map has that value greater than 0. And if it does, we're going to push out that number, not the value, but the actual key. So push out that number out of the hash map that we have, and then decrease the hash map value. like this. So after that's done, we'll have a result populated. Oops, that needs to be returned. There we go. We'll have a result populated there after that's done. Make sure I type that right. Okay, great. I did. So to show what this looks like, we can just do, let's do a console log here of the object. And if we run that, right, we've taken out all the 2's out of this object and pushed them into the result there. Okay. Let me zoom out of this in case you want to look at the entire solution here. Let's get rid of that. All right, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.